Hairdryer holster for countertops. Package contains one spiral black-coated steel tabletop hairdryer holder. Measures 8 by 4 by 4.3 inches, 20.5 by 10.2 by 11 centimeters. Great for storage. Conveniently store your hairdryer, straightening iron or curling iron on the counter with this easy-to-use holster. Keep your hair tool within reach and create extra space on your salon station, bathroom counter or vanity. Quality steel. Made of sturdy steel with a strong base that will ensure it stays upright. The black coating prevents the base from sliding. Salon and home use. Perfect for stylist stations in salons or for home bathroom counters. No installation required. Just place on your counter and use. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I didn't realize how awesome this item would be. It was a spontaneous purchase because it popped up as I was looking for a hairdryer. I thought it would be nice to keep it in place instead of the counter side of my sink where it sometimes falls into the sink. Now it sits out of the way and doesn't fall into the sink or onto the floor as other hairdryers usually did.